Willkommen. How do you say hello in Dutch? Hey, fluff everywhere. We are in Leuven. Leuven. It's Dutch. I don't know how to pronounce these things. But it's a beautiful, beautiful city. Full of young people and Dutch people.
No, not Dutch. Belgium.
Belgian people, that they speak Dutch. Yeah, this area they do speak Dutch, and it's beautiful. It's very nice. The vibe is amazing, and the weather is good, and there is a festival that's going to start right now. I mean, in a few minutes, and I've got a beer, so all good. I'm happy. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. It's all going on. Well, there's one stage up here, I don't know if you can see, and then there's another stage over there, and then there's another stage somewhere else. I think there's four stages. Four. around the city, which is stunning. We came on our trottinettes from the bus because it's a cycling city. Yeah, it's a cycling city too. There's cycle paths everywhere. Cyclists have the right of way. So yeah, our trottinette scooters, electric scooters, were brilliant. Yeah, so we're going to stay here for a few more hours, get some music, and then head back to the bus because we're going to Brussels to see the city over the weekend. But the main reason we're going to see the Rolling Stones on Monday. Rolling Stones live. Start me up. Yeah.
Sorry?
Happy about it?
Yes, so yeah, I've seen the Stones in my late teens. That's a funny story. In Rio, a long time ago. And back then, I said to my friend that we were going together, I said, "Oh, we have to go and see the Stones right now because they're too old. They're gonna die soon." I think I'm going to die first.
We had a conversation the other day. We actually think they've outlived most of their initial loyal fan base, which is quite something. So yeah, it's been on my bucket list to go and see them. So yeah, we're going to go, which is brilliant. So yeah, we'll take you with us as much as we can. It'll probably be on the phones because I don't think we're allowed cameras. You're not allowed to take any bags in the stadium or anything. So yeah, it'll be phone stuff. So sorry about that. But, yeah, it'll be good anyway. So we'll show you it all. Catch you later.
Annoying, brilliantly annoying. That way.
No.
The light is this way. No, it's not a good light. We look better now, don't we? Brilliant.
Say what's on your mind. It can't be wrong. Your hope will arise, but give it time, give it time, give it time. And in the morning when I open up my eyes, so could I just sleep another night? So I don't know if I can do this on my own. So many people around want to be seen and be found. And every time I lay here, I think about it all and about the days. How time flies by. Will I ever get there? Is it there for me, or is it only something that I want to? But I know I'm coming for it. But I want some.
Apparently, I've got to talk about it. What is happening? It's music! It's a music festival and it's amazing. Lots of cool people around. They're very tall. I feel so short. And I've just been interviewed by the Dutch television. Or Belge.
Possibly.
Belge television. Oh, she said it was from the... So I'll be on the telly.
Maybe. They might cut it.
Yeah, they do. Yeah.
Misschien wel een beetje zo. Lazy.
Beautiful. Everything is beautiful.
But me especially.
Huh?
I said, but me especially. I was just overhearing a guy, and apparently this is considered the longest or biggest bar in Europe.
Longest.
But the reason for that is because every house that you see down this street is a bar. Not one of them is anything else. It's not a shop or anything else. They're all bars from one end to the other.
And the architecture is outstanding. It's amazing. Very pretty.
Yeah. A lot of it was knocked down during the war, both wars in fact, and rebuilt in the same style, but there are dates on the buildings. But yeah, everyone down here is a bar. So it's going to get loud later.
Mercedes Benz. Oh Lord, won't you buy